Hello children, I hope everybody is safe at home. Yes. See here, in last week what we learned? We learned how to count numbers and write number names. Okay. And next we go for new topic. Okay. See, I'll show something. See here, what are these? These are chocolates. Do you like chocolates? Yes. See, how many chocolates are there? Let us count. 1, 2 and 3. 3 chocolates are there. I ate 1 chocolate. I ate 1 chocolate. How many chocolates are left with me? Tell me students. Let us count again. See, 1 and 2. 2 chocolates are there. See, I ate 1 more chocolate. I ate 1 more chocolate. How many chocolates are left with me, children? Only 1 chocolate is left with me. Yes? I ate this chocolate. Okay. See, in my hands, how many chocolates are there? None. It's nothing. Okay, nothing means 0. 0. See, this is 0. Yes or no? Yes. See, 0 write it as like this. Zero write it as like this. Okay. And see, 0 is smallest one. I will show some more object for you. See, I have 2 bottles. How many bottles are there? 2 bottles. So, which one is big and which one is small? Tell me students. This is big and this is small. Okay. Do you understand? Compared to this bottle, which one is small? This light pink color bottle is small. And compared to this small pink bottle, which one is big? This dark pink bottle is big. Yes? Yes. I will show one more object. What are these? What are these? Tell me students. These are pencils. Yes or no? These are pencils. In these 2 pencils, which one is big and which one is small? This one is big? No. And this one? Yes. This one is big and this one is small pencil. Okay, do you understand? Yes. See here. Do you like snacks? No? Yes. So, what are these? These are snacks boxes. I have 2 snacks boxes. So, in these, which identify which one is big and which one is small. So, in this pink color one box is big and this violet color box is small. Okay. Yes. Very good. And one more see. See. What are these? See. I have 2 plastic flowers. And which one is big and which one is small? And this one is small and this one is big. This one is big. Yes. So, my dear children, today we are going to learn bigger or smaller. Tell me students. Bigger or smaller? Yes. bigger or smaller? See here, I will draw some fruits. See, look at the board, children. In this, what are these? These are apples. So, both are same? No. Some difference is there, no? Yes. What are the difference? One is big and another one is small. Okay. See, which one is big and which one is small? This one is small? No. And this one is? Yes, this one is small and this one is big. Okay, this one is small and this one is big. See here down. What are these? These are trees. One big tree is there, another one small tree is there. So in this, which one is big and which one is small? See, this first one is big. And this one is small. Okay. For example, see, I will change numbers. See here, what are these? These are numbers S. See here, 2 and 3 is there. S. See, in these, which one is small and which one is big? Tell me, students. See, while we counting the numbers 1, 2, 3, so why 2 is coming first and 3 is coming last. So, this 2 is small number or big number? Small number. Yes, 2 is small number and 3 is big. While we counting the numbers, 2 is coming first and 3 is coming last. Okay, one more example. See here, 4 and 5. Okay, in this, find out, children, which number is big and which number is small. See, 4 is small and 5 is big. The small number means comes first and the bigger number is comes last. So, 4 is small and 5 is big. These are the difference between smaller or bigger numbers. Okay, children? Do you understand what I am saying, children? Yes? Yes, very good. See here, some chart is there. Then you see that. So, some objects are there in the chart. Okay? See. Today, what we learned, students, tell me, what is the difference between bigger and smaller? Okay? Bigger number and smaller number, bigger objects and small objects. Okay, children? Thank you and God bless you.